Hello again, everyone. Today we're going to show you how to calculate distances between locations on your custom maps with BatchGeo. Humans are pretty bad at estimating distance, and that can cost you time and money when planning sales visits, deliveries, or routes. BatchGeo gives you precise distance tools right on your map. Let's take a look. If you don't already have a map, start with a spreadsheet of your locations. Copy your data, including the headers, then paste it into batchgeo.com. Click Set Options to confirm your address columns, then map your data. Now we're ready to measure distances. To start, select the points you want to measure. You can use Data View to select rows directly, or go into Advanced mode for more tools, like Rectangle, Circle, or Polygon to grab points on the map. Some tools need just one group of points, others need two groups, so keep that in mind. With one group selected, choose Match Closest Pairs. You'll see three options. Calculate least distance pairs, each point with its nearest unpaired neighbor. Calculate Closest Neighbor finds the single nearest location to every point, even if there are duplicates. Calculate Closest Unique Neighbor finds nearest neighbors without repeats. Each choice adds a new column in Data View showing exact distances. Need to compare two sets, like warehouses and customers? Use Match New Selection. First, select your initial group, then click Match New Selection. Pick your second group, and then choose one of the same three distance options. This links every point in Group A to its closest point in Group B. For quick checks, try the Marker Measure tool in Advanced mode. Click it, drop a pin anywhere, on a marker or not, and BatchGeo instantly measures to every other point on your map. And that's how you calculate distances in BatchGeo. Select your points, choose Match Closest Pairs or Match New Selection, or use the Marker Measure tool for ad hoc checks. It's fast, accurate, and powered by the Google Maps API, so you can trust the results. If this video was helpful, give us a like and subscribe, and try BatchGeo today at batchgeo.com. Thanks again.